Hey, I recently came across this website called Mugaritz on Awards, and it was, I think, nominees or the winner of the site of the day or something, right? But I came across this website and I loved the animation. Look at this full width text, and also this sticky animation here, and this arrow, right, that following my mouse. So I tried creating this animation in Framer, and I'll show you how it works in my Framer site. But as you can see here, as soon as I'm scrolling this tree, right, it's scaling down, and as soon as it hits the top of the screen, right, it sticks there, right, the menu sticks there. So I tried creating the same thing in Framer. As you can see here, I'm in my Framer website, and as soon as I'm scrolling, the image is scaling down and also it sticks to the top, right? As you can see, it's very easy to create. I also tried creating this arrow, but it's in my way. I'm not using that mouse follow, but I'm just replacing my cursor with this one, right, in this example. So how I did it, it was very easy to create this animation. But let's say I have this particular area, right, the hero section area, and then I have the menu area. In that particular one, I have the, these links, right, and I have in the middle I have the image and all, right? So let's click on the image and I'll show you the animation. Is, as you can see, the animation is done on this image part. And in the effects on the scroll, I'm using the scroll transform from image to the image, right, from, let's say, 1, the scale of 1 to the scale of 0.5 or 0.4 of scale, so that it takes that particular position, right? So I'm using section in view. So I'm using which section? The hero section. This hero section in view from the top hand side, right? The animation starts playing since as soon as it's from the top, right? So by default it's already on the top, so the animation will start playing from the beginning, from this, let's say, scale of 1.3 to, and the position here, as you can see, minus 33, because I had to adjust the image, because I just copied the image from there. I didn't download, I just took a screenshot and that's it. And from 2 0.4, and I'm also using again the offset here, the 71, so I wanted to make it in the center line, that's why, right? And that's how I did it, and no transition, nothing, just the simple scaling down from its original position, right? And what I did for this one, for this menu, I'm doing using a sticky animation here. The sticky position type is sticky, and the top, from top, it's leaving the 20 pixel of the space from the top side. And I'm not sure if you know how to create this sticky one, but it's very easy. You have to make the parents classes, parent elements to visibles to make it stick at the top of your item, right? And it was very easy to create this one, and you can create this one for your clients as well. And here the cursor, I'm just replacing the cursor, and here's the cursor that I tried creating, and this one I replaced it for the website, right, the cursor. So you can create this one for your own project, for your clients projects, and you can impress them with your animation skills.